In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Noones P2P. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account dashboard, you want to go to the trade section and click on P2P trading. So to buy USDT, this is very simple. You want to switch to the buy button over here, make it green, and then you want to go here where you can see the coin, and you want to select USDT as the crypto you're looking for. And then of course here you can type in the amount, or you could just select what currency you want it to be displayed in. So I'm going to do US dollar. And here, if you wish to, of course, if you prefer any payment methods, you could go ahead and basically select any of these as well. Down here, you'll see different offers, the promoted ones, and the other offers as well. And here, you'll be able to basically see how you could buy this. So as you can see here, for example, this one is using Neteller, this one is using Remitly, etc. So there's going to be a bunch of different offers. Select the one that you like the most, and then just click on the buy button on the very right over here. And then, of course, you'll be able to see how much you have to pay and how much you will receive. So let's say we select this one, for example, you could just click on the buy button over here, and then it's going to pop you in here where you basically have to type in the amount you want to actually pay, and then you'll be able to see if everything looks good. You'll be able to see the offer terms. Make sure you do read these, okay? And after that, click on confirm and buy if you actually agree to all the terms, and you'll be able to get your USDT that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.